Thank you guys so much for the support, for the love, for the comments. Your comments, like, I love the comments. So keep commenting, bro. I hope you guys are ready for today's video, because today's video goes crazy. So let's get into it, bro. I'm not gonna make y'all wait.
Bank account never diminishing. Niggas are changing their image. Niggas act hard, but they innocent. Hop in the tank and move anything.
Day 2, off the pad.
Big tree too. Yeah, Sue knows the way down. They all took different routes up here.
We got all the socks drying up right now.
You know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way. Stories you told me about you, I can see that it's night and day. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away.
Reaching the summit of this little whatever bump. Not even bump. This feels like we're in, bro. This literally feels like we're in Minecraft, bro. Wait till y'all see this. Wow, where's the ponies? Jesus. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah, wake up, wake up, wake up. I don't wanna wake if you're not by my side, girl. Can't have it change up, change up, change up. You ain't gonna sit around and wait all night, girl. Yeah. No, I got a lot of love for you, still a lot of love for you, still a lot of love for you now. I got a lot of love for you, still a lot of love for you, still a lot of love for you, still. We go way back. Tell me, girl, how could you say that? Yeah, I go out searching, hoping that I can get my baby, but we on the.
I can never do this one again, though. I don't think I could ever. Yeah, no.
You don't think so?
Hell no. Maybe after some training.
Echo!
Start an avalanche.
No, for real.
Wow, there's no like good places to stand.
So we gotta go around this thing.
That's not bad.
Y'all see that thing?
Dude, the thing is though, we have to make it to the lake.
Yeah. All right, let's do this. Get it over with, and then bounce.
Yeah, wake up, wake up, wake up. I don't wanna wake if you're not by my side, girl. Can't have it change up.
All right, so we're sending the drone up because supposedly there's a lake back there, but if we can't see it right now, we gotta go back because, goddamn, we climbed up this whole mountain.
God, we're out of water.
Yeah, we're running quickly out of water. Jeez. Chris is almost done with his whole water.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's send this bad boy up.
Hey, find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way. Stories you told me about him, I can see that it's night and day. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away.
Alright, so the place that we saw is not this one, but it's over this. Wow.
Maybe.
Wow, you're out too? Water!
I'm grabbing water. I'm at least filling my Nalgene.
Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway.
We didn't even have to set the tent up.
Yeah.
We had a whole ass house. Bro, who lived here, bro? George Washington II.
I wonder how old this thing is.
For real.
Small, like.
Bro, imagine this is where you live.
Yeah.
That would be crazy. What if there's just like a person under here?
Big, get out of my lawn.
Count the little circles on the inside of the wood, see how old the wood is.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, I almost started slipping though. Bro, Bigfoot was out here and shit?
Yeah, look how clean the cuts are too.
And there's no way that they're bringing a chainsaw up what we just climbed up, bro.
Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since Since I've been making donuts.
What the fuck?
No lake in sight,
Bro,
dog.
wow. We just walked down half of this mountain, it feels like. Bro, hold on. I might go out there to see what's out there. If we do not find this one now, bro, we gotta turn around. Alright, the moment of actual truth. Oh yeah, right there.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Oh.
That's what I was saying, bro.
Whoa.
We're walking around the wrong side of the mountain.
Oh shit, they're both of them right there.
Wow!
Whoa.
Bro, we're gonna have to find a different route up. Alright, well at least we found them, but damn. What now?
That's it?
We're gonna be walking like all the way
Wow,
around.
because that's Upper Lake. So that's
Stone Lake.
oh hell no.
Bro, wow, this is
No
gonna
way.
take a lot longer
Forever.
than we thought.
Plus, bro, that shit's dirty as hell.
For real. What do we do now? We might as well start free falling.
Honestly, yeah. If we just had a paraglide, dude, that'd be so easy.
Oh my god, I'll just. Wow.
Both y'all get in there, man.
Bro, look at this. Let me know how that looked. What do you think, Chris?
That was sick. I like that you can just like rip it out of the air.
Yeah.
Also, how far we went? We
went
4,000 feet away.
Bro, these from here do not look, I don't know. Like, this does not look that far.
Yeah, dude, that canyon just like keeps going.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into episode 2. Just like I said earlier, bro, thank you guys so much for all the love, for all the support, for all the comments, for all the likes. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below, bro. I love to see it. It motivates me. Bro, we're on the road to 30K. If you have not subscribed yet, like 90-some% of you guys, bro, subscribe, bro. Stop playing. Hit the little bell notification. See how fast we can grow this family, bro. Let's do something dope, bro. Come on. Like I said in yesterday's video, bro, I'm posting every day on TikTok. I'm still posting the workouts and the app videos, and I threw in a little day in the life on there as well. So if you guys want to see a little bit of behind the scenes or what I'm doing in my free time, check those out, bro. They're linked in the description down below, as well as all the beats. Shout out Steve, shout out Monty G, bro. All these beats are crazy, and I know you guys are loving them too. All these pictures that are in the video, if you guys want them, bro, they will be in my website. I'm thinking about doing some prints pretty soon. So if you don't see a certain one on the website, it's because it's probably gonna be a print. So, but yeah, episode 2, we're through with it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.
Thank you.